Mastering the art of offering help in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, offer your help, in English. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective communication, especially when you want to be helpful or need assistance. So, let's dive into the nuances of this simple yet powerful expression. The phrase, offer your help, involves two key concepts: offer and help. To offer means to present or propose something to someone, while help refers to providing assistance or support. Combined, these words form a phrase used when someone is willing to provide assistance or support to someone else. It's a polite and proactive way of showing your readiness to assist. You can use offer your help in various situations. 1. In professional settings, offering help to colleagues or clients. 2. In personal relationships, assisting friends or family members. 3. In public spaces, helping strangers in need. To use the phrase effectively, remember to be genuine and considerate. For instance, say, "Can I offer my help with that?" Or, "I'd like to offer my help if you need it." The tone should be friendly and non-imposing. Let's look at some examples. 1. At work, "I noticed you have a lot on your plate. Can I offer my help with the project?" 2. With friends, "I heard you're moving this weekend. I'd like to offer my help." 3. In public, "You seem to be struggling with those bags. May I offer my help?" These examples show how offering help can be applied in different contexts, always aiming to be helpful and respectful. Offering your help is more than just a phrase. It's a gesture of kindness and collaboration. We hope this video has helped you understand and use offer your help effectively in your daily interactions. Remember, a small offer of help can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.